Hey, what's going on guys? Fred Tech Up here. Welcome back again to my channel. So in this video, I have here with me the all new Tecno Camon 17. I'm so excited to have this device here. The version that I have here is the 4GB variant and 128GB of internal storage. On the box here, we have some key specification written on it, which is the 48 megapixels AI ultra triple camera, a 90Hz HD plus dot-in display, Helio G85 extreme performance according to Tecno, a 5000 mAh battery and 18-watt flash charge. Okay, so let's move ahead and see what comes in the box of this device. Yeah, the box really looks nice. When you open the box, you're greeted with the device itself wrapped in a plastic. It carries the same specs I mentioned earlier. Let's keep it aside and see what else is included in the box. Next is a 12 plus 1 month warranty card, a transparent silicone case that is very flexible. Let's keep it aside first. Next is a 18 watts charger, a SIM card removal tool, the earpiece, and lastly a micro USB charging cable, and that's pretty much it. Back to the device. When you take it off the plastic wrap, I must say it looks amazing. The color I have here is frost silver and it is beautiful. The camera placement with the way the flashlight is arranged with the Camon inscription on here makes it really stand out. The design is really impressive. I like how it feels in the hand. It feels compact and well made. On the right side of the device, we've got the power button and the volume rocker keys. To the left, we've got a SIM tray that can take dual nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the bottom, we've got a headphone jack, a microphone, a micro USB charging port, and the speaker grill. At the rear houses a triple camera setup with some AI branding, the fingerprint scanner, a quad flash, and a huge Tecno Camon branding. Moving on to the front of the device, we've got a 6.6 inch HD plus dot-in display that houses an 8 megapixel selfie camera. The display is an IPS panel that outputs a resolution of 720 by 1600 and a pixels density of 266. The display is sharp and bright. It is fairly decent when it comes to outdoor visibility. Watching YouTube videos and general media consumption is very okay on here. The fingerprint scanner on here is pretty fast and responsive. However, I would have preferred a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. I feel that's the right place where physical fingerprint scanner should be. But that's just me. Most people might have different opinions. Okay, let's go back to the spec sheet again. The Tecno Camon 17 comes with the mediatek Helio G85 processor, 4GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, 5000 mAh battery, and what is keeping the show running is Android 11 with a custom iOS 7.6 skin. The Camon 17 biggest strength has to be the Helio G85 processor, the camera, and a faster refresh rate. I have to say that gaming is very impressive for the price. You can play high graphics demanding games at medium settings, browse the internet with ease without any hiccups. It can handle multiple background apps smoothly, and launching apps is impressive as well. For the price you're paying for this, performance is really impressive. The 90Hz refresh rate on here makes everything really smooth. Scrolling and app switching is really good. The 5000 mAh battery is good and can comfortably last for more than a day on a single charge. Another plus for the Camon 17 is the fact that it comes with a fast charger out of the box. The 18 watts charger took a little above 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. Considering the price point, I think it is fair enough. Now let's talk about the camera. The Tecno Camon 17 comes with a 48 megapixels main sensor. The rest of the camera is unknown for now. I guess it won't even matter that much. The main camera captures outstanding photos, the resolve details is impressive, and there is no noticeable noise. The colors looks nice and dynamic range is decent too. I like how well exposed most of the images appears. Most images are processed by AI, and I like the fact that images is closer to real life. The photos had natural looks with balanced processing. Images are well saturated, especially on skin tone, as you can see here. Portrait image is very impressive as well with good edge detection. Details are present and colors looks nice. Selfie on the other hand is sharp with good details, but that's where its weakness begins to show. Selfie images is not as detailed as the real ones. I feel like the 8 megapixel sensor is to be blamed here. I would say if you're looking for a smartphone with a very good selfie camera, you should invest on the Pro variant of the Camon 17. On the video aspect, the Tecno Camon 17 can shoot in 2K with no video stabilization. The 2K footage looks good and sharp. Hey guys, so this is a rare footage from the Tecno Camon 17, and it can shoot 2K at 30 frames per second without video stabilization, and I think the footage looks very okay. So guys, so this is the front facing camera on Tecno Camon 17. I am currently shooting in 2K 30 frames per second, which is the highest resolution that this phone can go. And from what I'm seeing here, I think it looks okay. The footage is okay. But you guys should let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Alright? So in conclusion, the Tecno Camon 17 is a decent device for the price and I would highly recommend it. The rear camera is very decent, performance is very impressive, the 98 refresh rate makes most task runs very smooth, and to top it all, the battery life is very good. It has some downsides like the lack of USB Type-C and a 720p display, but at this price point you shouldn't expect more. So that has been it guys. Share your thoughts with me down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.